Hi, this is Team 7C. My name is Mahdy Hasan. Our another members are Mehdi Hasan Shorkar, Pronoy Dash, and Faiz Ahmed Ridom. The project is BanglaTYPE, developing a Bangla chatbot with neural networks. A chatbot is a software application that is designed for conversation through text interactions. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed what is now called the Turing test as a criterion of intelligence. ELIZA is an early natural language processing computer program created from 1964 to 1967 at MIT by Joseph Weizenbaum. Distributed computing systems can work with chatbots in several ways to enhance their capabilities, scalability, and reliability. In a distributed environment, chatbot processing can be distributed across multiple servers or instances. This allows the system to handle a large number of concurrent users and messages efficiently. As a chatbot with a distributed system architecture, there can be multiple instances of the app. So there can be load balancers that can distribute incoming requests across different instances. It can be a microservices application where different features or functionalities such as natural language processing, management of dialogues, or integration with third-party services can be done independently. Also, the database can be distributed as well. Distributed computing enhances chatbot performance, scalability, and ability to handle complex conversations, making them more effective tools for various domains. Chatbots are used both internally and externally by many businesses, like messaging app, customer service, and company internal use. Objective: develop a Bangla chatbot capable of natural language understanding and generation in the Bengali language. Project overview: the chatbot should be able to understand user input, respond contextually, and provide relevant information. This is the design pipeline for a chatbot model. According to the flowchart, the following steps must be taken. This project aims to develop a Bangla chatbot capable of engaging in natural and contextually relevant conversations in the Bengali language with distributed computing systems. Distributed computing allows the chatbot system to scale up by adding more processing power on demand, ensuring smooth interactions even with high user traffic. By utilizing distributed computing systems, chatbot can be made more fault tolerant. The main challenge of this work is to create a chatbot based on an accurate knowledge base. Due to the lack of a large dataset, we implemented a retrieval-based closed-domain chatbot that will converse with the user based on the pattern matching algorithm and will improve its performance measured by learning from the interactions. Overall, distributed computing offers a powerful foundation for building more advanced and intelligent chatbots capable of handling complex tasks, scaling to meet user demands, and offering a richer user experience. Thank you. Toolab link and latex link are given. This is the literature review of this project, developing a Bangla chatbot with neural networks. This is the latex source of this project. This is the project report for BanglaTYPE, Bangla chatbot. This is our project code. At first, we are importing regex and random libraries. Then we call a class BanglaTYPE. and we take some simple sentence and take some in words and also take some reject words. Then we define init functions, and then we define get functions, and then we define make exit functions, and also we define chat functions. Now we define match replay functions for init functions. Then we define escape functions. And then we define no match instance functions. Now we call the class BanglaType for our AI bot and apply the grade functions. Now our chatbot is ready, so test it. স্বাগতম, আপনার নাম কি? মাহাদি হাসান। জনাব মাহাদি হাসান, আমি বাংলা টাইপ। আপনি কি আমাকে নতুন জিনিস সম্পর্কে জানতে সাহায্য করবেন? ইয়া। ডিস্ট্রিবিউটেড কম্পিউটিং হলো কম্পিউটার বিজ্ঞানের একটি ক্ষেত্র। ওকে, দয়া করে আমাকে আরো বলুন। Say something about DCS. ডিস্ট্রিবিউটেড কম্পিউটিং হলো একটি সাধারণ সমস্যা সমাধানের জন্য একাধিক কম্পিউটার একসাথে কাজ করার পদ্ধতি। চ্যাটবট ব্যবহারকারীদের কাছ থেকে ব্যক্তিগত তথ্য সংগ্রহ করতে পারে। সে মোর অ্যাবাউট চ্যাটবট। চ্যাটবট একটি কম্পিউটার প্রোগ্রাম। সে সামথিং অ্যাবাউট এআই। এআই প্রযুক্তি শিল্প এবং বিজ্ঞান জুড়ে ব্যাপকভাবে ব্যবহৃত হয়। নাও সে সামথিং অ্যাবাউট দিস প্রজেক্ট BanglaTYPE। BanglaTYPE আপনার সাথে চ্যাট করতে পারে। মোর অ্যাবাউট BanglaTYPE। BanglaTYPE আপনাকে সাহায্য করতে পারে। গুড, দয়া করে আমাকে আরো বলুন। নো থ্যাঙ্কস, আই কোয়াইট। ঠিক আছে, আবার দেখা হবে। After that, distributed computing systems can work with chatbots in several ways to enhance their capabilities, scalability, and reliability. In a distributed environment, chatbot processing can be distributed across multiple servers or instances. These allow the system to handle a large number of concurrent users and messages efficiently. Okay guys, thanks for watching.